Hello everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel where we explore the world of coding. Coding, also known as programming, is the process of writing instructions for a computer to follow. In today's video, we will be discussing some of the most interesting topics in coding, from the basics to advanced concepts. So, whether you are a beginner or an experienced programmer, sit back, relax, and let's get started. The basics of coding. Let's start with the basics. Coding is all about writing instructions that tell a computer what to do. These instructions are written in a programming language, which is a set of rules and symbols that allow us to communicate with a computer. There are many different programming languages out there, but some of the most popular include Java, Python, C++, and JavaScript. To get started with coding, you'll need to choose a programming language that suits your needs. Once you've chosen your language, you'll need to set up an environment in which to write your code. This can be as simple as using a text editor like Notepad, or as complex as using an integrated development environment, IDE, like Visual Studio. Advanced coding concepts. Once you've mastered the basics of coding, it's time to move on to more advanced concepts. These include things like object-oriented programming, data structures, algorithms, and software design patterns. Object-oriented programming is a programming paradigm that focuses on creating objects that interact with each other to accomplish a task. Data structures are ways of organizing and storing data so that it can be accessed and manipulated efficiently. Algorithms are sets of instructions that solve specific problems, while software design patterns are general solutions to common programming problems. Coding in the real world. Coding isn't just something you do in a classroom or on a computer screen. It's a valuable skill that's used in a variety of industries, from software development to finance to healthcare. As a coder, you can work on everything from mobile apps to video games to operating systems. You can also use coding to automate tasks, analyze data, and create visualizations that help people understand complex information. Tips for learning to code. Learning to code can be a challenging but rewarding process. Here are a few tips to help you along the way. Start with the basics and don't try to learn everything at once. Practice coding every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Work on real-world projects that interest you, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Seek out help and guidance from other coders, whether through online forums or in-person meetups. That's it for our video on coding. We hope you've learned something new and are inspired to continue your journey in the world of programming. Remember, coding is a valuable skill that can open up a world of opportunities, so don't be afraid to give it a try.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.